I have been in this safety and security department for a year. Besides working, I'm a BMX racer. As a part-timer, you only work 5 hours a day. It benefits me a lot actually. You can choose your time, which shift you want to come in.
Working for 2 years and a half. In some situations, we have to come early as 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning. When we come early, we can actually go home earlier.
I've been in IKEA for 7 years. There is no difference between full-time co-worker and part-time co-workers.
On top of my annual leave, they offer a family care leave, whereby I can take any time I want to attend to my children.
So we have a flexi benefit. Co-worker can actually choose which benefit that they want to claim. We have optical, we have dental, we have in-store purchases.
The benefit that I like most, staff discount and insurance.
In IKEA, we have a lot of branches that we can grow into.
They give us training.
One of it is being mentored by one of the store manager in terms of leadership and also customer experience related skill.
Bila saya dah banyak belajar dan saya pergi banyak kelas dan saya pun grow ke full-timer. Sudah bekerja 8 tahun.
So as a part-timer, you have the opportunity to become a full-timer. As a part-timer, I feel that I'm already in the family. As a full-timer now, the family is still there.
Definitely, I love the culture. Made me feel like I'm at home.
There's one time I was given a task to renew a place less than 2 weeks from planning to implementation. So many tasks need to be done. And with the team, I feel very empowered and happy that we have all the chemistry to actually work together and get this job done.
Walau siapa pun kita, tak kira agama, tak kira bangsa, tak kira tua muda, tak kira umur, tak kira gender, tak kira keupayaan, semua boleh bekerja di IKEA.